Hi everyone, grab your comfy pillows and let's get started on story time. Today's story is a very special story. It's a book I've had for a really long time. Would you like to know what it's called? It's called If You Gave a Mouse a Cookie. There's a mouse on it. There's also a baking stain. When I was little, I used to read this book, and then we would bake cookies. So sometimes when we use books and we cook at the same time, they get a little messy. But it's okay, we can still read it. Let's get started. If you give a mouse a cookie. Let's come a little bit closer. If you give a mouse a cookie, it's going to ask for a glass of milk. When you give him the milk, ask you for a straw. When it's finished, it'll ask you for a napkin. Oh. Then it'll want to look in a mirror to make sure it doesn't have a milk mustache. When it looks in the mirror, it might notice its hair needs a trim. So it'll probably ask for nail or scissors. Look. When it's finished giving itself a trim, it'll want a broom to sweep up. It'll start sweeping, but it might get carried away and sweep every room in the house. That's a lot of sweeping. It may end up washing all the floors as well. When it's done, it'll probably want to take a nap. Lots of work cleaning. You'll have to fix up a little box for it with a blanket and a pillow. It'll crawl in and make itself comfortable and fluff the pillow a few times. It'll probably ask you to read it a story. So, you'll read to it from one of your favorite books. And it'll ask to see the pictures. When it looks at the pictures, it'll get so excited. It'll want to draw one of its own. They'll ask for paper and crayons. They'll draw a picture. Wow, look at that picture. When the picture is all done, mouse will want to sign their name. Look at that drawing they made. That's amazing. With a pen. So they want to write their name with a pen. Then it'll want to hang up its picture on your refrigerator, which means it'll need Scotch tape. That's clear tape. It'll hang up its drawing and stand back to look at it. Looking at the refrigerator, remind it that, look, the mouse made a tower of food so it could reach the refrigerator to tape up its picture. So it's looking at its picture on the refrigerator and it's being reminded that it's thirsty. So it'll ask for a glass of milk. And chances are, if the mouse asks for a glass of milk, it's going to want a cookie to go with it. The end. Sometimes when I read a story that has food in it, I think about that food a lot. This book, what did the mouse eat? Do you remember? It started with the letter C. It was C-O-O-K-I-E. Cookie, yeah. I think I'm gonna go make some cookies now. If you'd like to make cookies with me, I have the recipe for the cookie that the mouse ate in this book. The very, very exact chocolate chip cookie that we gave to our mouse friend in the very beginning. Those cookies, these ones, I'm gonna go make them. And if you want to make some with me, the recipe is down below. Okay. Bye, everyone. I'll see you next time. Thanks for reading with me. And if you make a cookie, send me a picture. I'd love to see if you use that recipe or if you have your own. I'd love to see what kind of cookies you make today. Bye.